Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Rainbow Melts haul. It has been a while since I have ordered from Rainbow Melts. I was kindly sent a random act of kindness from Kathy, and I saw that she was doing, Crystal was doing a scent shot, like she was going to keep scent shots on her site at all times. And I thought that was pretty cool because that's how I used to order from Crystal all the time. Was she would do like ready to ship, and that's how I liked it. I did order from her pre-order though as well, which is rare for me, but I decided to just take the L and do it. So here's the card she includes with everything. Everything is always neatly packaged with her. I feel like she always does everything up really nice and cute. And in the box that she sent me, she always has her, let me see if I can do it without making a huge mess, but she always has her shred, her rainbow shred, which goes perfectly with her theme. So I got two samples, and the first one I got is Monster Munch, and this is caramel corn, toasted marshmallow, salty pretzels. This one, the first time I smelled it, I was like, yes, this is really, really nice. Super bakery, caramely. You get a little hint of the pretzel. It's more of like a bready pretzel scent. Like some pretzels I've smelled, this is definitely not one that I have smelled, I don't think. But it's good. I like that one. That is a great fall scent. And then I also have, oh, this is cute. This is Fuji apple. This is sweet tart apple. Now, funny thing is, I had this aversion to apple for the longest time, but I'm kind of coming back around to apple again, which is, like Angie says, my nose changes every 5 minutes. So usually if I don't like a scent, I'll come back around to it. Oh, okay. Okay, this is different. Okay, you know what? I'm used to Macintosh apple. That's why this threw me off. I was expecting one thing and I got something completely different. This is almost like it's not realistic as like a Mac apple is to me. Like it smells like a Fuji apple, but it also has like this, a little bit of like sweetness to it. Huh, that's interesting. This is going to be more of probably like a blender scent for me, but you know, I have no aversion to like warming it on its own either. Okay, what did I do with the cute ribbon? Ah, crap. Of course, I set it down somewhere and I don't know what it is. Anyways, so this is how my bag came, and it came with a ribbon wrapped around it, a cute rainbow ribbon that I cannot find now, but of course I cut right into the darn thing. Actually, you know what? Let me just dump these out so that way I don't make a huge, it's not so noisy. Sorry about that. So the first one I got is Harmony, and this is Sea Breeze, Fresh Ozone, Soft Floral, Moss, Lavender, and Sandalwood. And her labels are really great. I mean, they have the scent notes, they've got pour dates. They just have everything that you would want, so you don't have to mess around with finding scent notes. This one is really pretty. I do get the Sea Breeze. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to order this one. When I saw Sea Breeze, anytime I see Sea Breeze in a scent, I'm like, yes, send it over. Because it's different than Salty Sea Air. It's more of like a stronger, sea scent. If that makes any kind of sense. You do get a little bit of lavender and floral, but mostly to me, I smell the Sea Breeze. Okay, Refresh. This is Soapy Clean and Invigorating. This is Coast Type. I'm trying to think, is it like Ivory Coast or what the hell is Coast Type? I don't shop the soap aisle, so I don't ever know. Oh, okay, so this is this almost smells a little, it kind of reminds me of like Irish Spring a little bit, but it's different than Irish Spring. It's a lot different than Irish Spring, but it just kind of reminds me of the same, like what I mean by that is like, kind of by like the, there's like a note in it that reminds me of Irish Spring, but it's not. That is definitely soapy. That would probably be one my husband would like. I did grab Strawberry Biolage, which is fresh picked strawberries, and Biolage shampoo. I haven't tried Biolage in a long time, so I was like, you know what, let me just try this. This is pretty good. I know my friend Angie loves Biolage, so I'm sure she'd probably love this one. This one's really good. I feel like I've had this in a blend before, and I'm trying to remember where, but I can't remember right now. Or something similar to like Strawberry Biolage, and then maybe something else like Cotton Candy Frosting or something. I grabbed Black Sea, which is sea salt, ozone, plum, citrus, amber, and black musk. The sea salt, ozone, plum, and the citrus is like what pulled me into this scent. She did some sparkles on that one, just super cute. Love that. I think she was talking about in her live, she was discussing sparkles and glitter. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. This is really nice, actually. This has a lot going on. Kind of manly, but it's kind of not. It's kind of unisex, but it's nice. I'm just going to try to keep this moving. I'm not going to try to make this a long video. So the next one I grabbed is Rainbow Crunch. I haven't had some of these blends from her in a while. This is Strawberry Crunch Cookie and Blueberry. And so I'm not really showing you, but I'm just pulling them out and smelling them like this. I think it was Sasha who talked about cutting into the center of them, like cutting them in half, and you could really get a really good smell. But I just smell kind of like the top and bottom. So this is mostly strawberry dominant to me. I can kind of get that blueberry a little bit. Blueberry is very non-offensive to me. I thought for a while, like, because it had blueberry in it, I think blueberry is like part blueberry. And I thought, yeah, I'm not going to be able to do blueberry, but I actually really like that. So let's move this over here a little bit. The next one I have is Lemon Zest. This is freshly zested lemon. I have been obsessed with like really clean and fresh lemons. So this one, oh, and that, okay, I don't know why I had to breathe like that, but that one is really good. That is like a fresh cut lemon. Oh, so good. I love these scents for like the kitchen. And they don't smell like cleaning products. They don't smell like crap. Next one is Basin. This is Dove Soap Type Sugar. Oh, Dove Soap Type. Super fresh and clean. This one smells good. You know, I need to buy a bar of Dove at some point because I don't think I've ever used Dove. That's just pretty. Like, it kind of reminds me of like, I'm sure like my grandma used this or something. I feel like that was her soap. The next one I have is, oh crap, I'm going to mispronounce this. Palo Santo, I think is how you pronounce that. Oh gosh. Sage, vanilla, mint, citrus, and cedar. This is my first time smelling it, but I know Sasha has talked about this one forever and a day on her channel. Oh, okay, so this is kind of like, I mean, the first thought I have is Sexy Man. Sexy Man and, let's see, sage, vanilla, mint, citrus, and cedar. I feel like I get the cedar. I don't, like, I'm not sure how often I've had sage. I don't smell any vanilla or mint. Kind of reminds me of like a citrus cedar a little bit, but kind of manly. Sexy. That one's nice. I like that one. Of course, that one might be one that I might have to be careful when I'm warming because I feel like that one could like induce a headache. So I do have to be careful with that one. I mean, that one's nice and strong. I'm sure the husband will like that one. Zucchini Jam is creamy zucchini bread, strawberry jam filled donuts. I have not had this scent in a long time, but I remember the first time I had it, I feel like back in like 2015 maybe. I loved this scent. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I haven't had it in that long. It is so good. The next one I have is Seaside, and this is Ocean Air, ripe summer fruits, and a hint of suntan lotion. Like, you definitely smell that suntan lotion in there. It's a nice suntan lotion though. I have had some that are like really strong, and I have heard people say that sometimes suntan lotion will give them a headache. This one to me is very soft, and I feel like that ocean kind of brings that one down a little bit. And I also feel like there is something fruity happening in there. So it's kind of like a, and it does say summer fruits. I was just about ready to say something you would eat in summertime. So I feel like that one could work even if you are opposed to suntan lotion. The next one I have is Cool Beans. This is iced coffee, whipped marshmallow, and caramel drizzle. You know, at this point, coffee scents are all starting to kind of smell the same to me. Like, they all just have different variations of this, that, and the other thing. So I kind of feel like this is like your standard coffee scent. You know, it's not good, and I mean, what am I saying? It's not good. I'm saying it's not bad. It's not, you know, it's just like your typical bakery coffee. I think I've overdone it on the coffee a little bit, but I did want to try hers because I haven't tried it in a while. The next one I have is Yummy, and this is creamy zucchini bread, sugar cookie, and frosted birthday cake. This one's pretty, so I do have to be somewhat careful with birthday cake. I don't know why. Birthday cake is just one of those things that is just so sweet for me. But I can smell that zucchini bread and the sugar cookie. I do smell that birthday cake oil, which sometimes for me, I have to be like, you know, this is something that will probably be blended with like a fruity or something. Or maybe I'll just try it on its own, or maybe like with another cookie scent and see how it does. That is my small Rainbow Melts order. Actually, I mean, it's not small considering, I mean, I did get quite a few scent shots, so. But I do also have the pre-order coming from her as well, which will give me a nice little selection of Rainbow Melts back in my stash because I've been missing some Rainbow Melts for a while. So yeah, anyways, I will see you guys in the next video and I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye guys.